Just one of days. We don't wanna wake up. Everything is fine. Everybody's done. You don't really know why, but you ain't got to fight. No human contact. If you interact, your life is on contract. Your best bet is to stay away, motherfucker. Just one of days. Stop the he said bullshit. I think you better quit. Let shit slip. You'll be leaving with a bad lip. Stop the he said bullshit. I think you better quit talking that shit. Just one of days. Hell, you're freight train. Fresh wine to complain. Lead to a blessing. Yeah, right, I'm a maniac. You better watch your back. That nigga's sucked up. Just fucked up. Next line get fucked up. Best bet is to stay away, motherfucker. Just one of days. Stop the he said bullshit. I think you better quit. Let shit slip. You'll be leaving with a bad lip. Stop the he said. I think you better quit talking that shit. Fuck. Stop it, Jenny. I feel like shit. My suggestion, keep your distance. Right now, I'm dangerous. We've all felt like shit. We feel like shit. All these motherfuckers, they wanna step up. I'll be the one kind of chainsaw. You're after all. My name is going this way. I just might break something tonight. I'm kind of chainsaw. You're after all. My name is going this way. I just might break something tonight. I'm kind of chainsaw. You're after all. My name is going this way. I just might break your fucking face tonight. Camping's on the right. Camping's on the right. Camping's on the right. Without your fucking face, I'll be on that chainsaw. A chainsaw. A motherfucking chainsaw. Stop it, Jenny. Stop the he said bullshit. I think you better quit. Let shit slip. You'll be leaving with a bad lip. Stop the he said bullshit. I think you better quit talking that shit. Fuck. Stop it, Jenny.
Hello. What's going on? All right. Hey, everybody. Nobody's watching right now, but that's okay because, sorry guys, I had, my internet decided to cut out as soon as I went live. So that's really awesome. So we're trying it again. We're going to wait for, people to come in here. We're right now we're looking at the Bitcoin, see what we're looking at right now. Get off of that. Bring up the trader's reality. I want to turn on the EMA, see what those are looking like on here. It's gonna look like a bunch of madness. All right, so we are below the 50 EMA on the 15-minute. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what we're looking like on the 1 hour. Are we gonna come up? All right, so we've rejected off of the 50 EMA on the 1 hour, and yeah, we're on the if we go from the bottom of this move to the top of this move right here, and then we can see that we had this failure to break to the upside and then shot back down. It's the second time we've rejected off of the 50 EMA right there. And then we got rejected. I was thinking that we could see this because we did have these equal lows right here. Right there. We had those equal lows right there. So I was thinking we could see that right there. Come on, let's get some people in here. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Hello. Let's take a zoomed out look. Let's take off the EMAs real quick. Let's take off Trader's Reality real quick. All right. Let's turn off the VWAP. What's the point of doing a live if nobody's going to join? Oh, we got a viewer. Okay. I've got one. I've got one watching. I don't know who it is, but I've got one. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. I am David. This is Chillin and Chartin and Breakin stuff. If you missed the intro, you missed a really good metal cover of Break Stuff by the Limpest of Biscuits. That's not the name. I was just saying that I was just making fun of the name Limp Bizkit, but yeah. All right, so Bitcoin is having a little bit of a tumble this morning, a little bit expected. If we come on and we zoom into the lower time frames, I've got everything turned off, you know, my VWAP, everything turned off, and I just wanted to look, if we just want to look at the price action here, and right off the bat, I could see these equal lows right here, so I was waiting to see if we would take those out, and we have taken those out, and then I was thinking about longing here. Let's go from bottom to top. And we did not quite get down to the 0.786. I was kind of wanting to get down there. Good morning, Alex. Great stream this morning. Good to see you, brother. Thank you for your support, as always. Much love, mad love, and respect. Happy days, all that good stuff. Yeah, so we've taken out these equal lows here already. So that's what I was looking for this morning. So we did get that liquidity grab. Now the question is, will we start to move up from here or have a little bit lower to go? We can turn on our not market cipher B. Yep, keep pushing. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I lost my internet. I already went live. 2 minutes in, internet stopped. Yay! So I guess it's a universal thing today. It's just internet being stupid. Coming back up to that 0.5 of this move. Usually when I look at these plays right here, they typically, well, the thing is that look at this consolidation range. Let me turn this magnet off. Look at this consolidation range right here, this overnight consolidation. So this often likes to see little plays where it will break out of that consolidation and then shift back to the downside. And then sometimes we can see a shift back to the upside. We do have relatively equal highs up here, so it's not out of the question for that to happen. I would still like to see a little bit deeper of a pullback. And let's go ahead and confirm this green dot on the 5 minute. That's not even confirmed yet. We can go to the 10 minute. Yeah, no green dot at all. 12 minute, no green dot. You know, back here, of course, but yep, that's not going to count. Now, we could also go lower too, guys, so let's keep that in mind. So if I draw this over here, if I move my fib over to the bottom of this move, to the top of this move, so far, now we didn't come down to the 786 right there, so let's go ahead and pull this up a little bit. Let's pull this up one candle, because this is our bounce candle. Now we get more of our 786 in there. And thanks to Schaefer, we can go to where the move exhausted, which is pretty much right there. And now we've got that 786, beautiful 786 move right there. And that could be where we see this pull down to, which is at about 35,691. That gets us into this wick right here. Let's pull out a little bit. pull back a little bit, I should say. Not pull out. We don't do that around here, dude. No, I'm kidding. This 1 hour, yep, right there, right on the midpoint of that wick, of that 1 hour mid wick. I love playing those 1 hour mid wicks, but we did already have a tap into that, so that could bring us down lower. Now we do have a this order block here. I would be keeping an eye on that. More specifically, no, I would say right there. Well, we've already nailed that. You can see we came up, we came down, nailed that midpoint on that order block. The order block being this whole down move right here, all these down candles right here. I would before the move to the upside, I'd consider that one big order block. So we did come down straight to the midpoint of that order block and bounced, and now I'm looking for that order block to hold price, hold it, instead of seeing us go towards it, go back go back into it. Yahoo! I'm a bit snotty this morning. So yeah, what I would man, that's another thing too, though, that I wouldn't be surprised to see us come in lower. I would kind of want it. Well, we could still. A lot of people would go off of this, but let's go ahead and let's remove our wicks and let's see where we're looking at with our candle bodies. What are we looking at with the candle bodies? Nothing. Looking at nothing. So there's that order block. So if we take that last candle, let's go ahead and put our wicks back on, because this is a little confusing right now. Let's put our wicks back on. Didn't even get to it, so maybe we come back down and tap it. I don't know. Right now, maybe we're not really bullish on this price action right now. We do have money flow, and VWAP popped up money flow coming up on the 5-minute. Maybe we see a little push up. If we come back up through here, then I would expect us to continue to the upside. But I would be looking for a rejection as we come back up to this range. Let's go ahead and turn on our Trader's Reality. Yeah, so we have all of these vector candles here. These are high volume candles. Essentially, what that means is that big players are in these candles. The red candles means they're probably placing longs on the way down, and green candles means they're placing shorts on the way up. You had a high volume of candle up here, which is a reversal signal. Oi, Jeet Corp, what's up? Yeet Corp, or Heat Corp, Heat, because he's Spanish. If you didn't know, Heat Corp is Spanish. He didn't tell me that. I just made it up. But yeah, that's a little order block right there. Look at that, 5-15 minute. We got this 4 down candles here before the push up, and then we came right smack down on it. I don't really like that though. I like that midpoint a lot better. I like that midpoint a lot better. What was I on, the 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour. And then if I take the body to body, these 3 candles right here, then we come and nail it. Why? Because price was delivered to the downside right here, okay? Price was delivered. Let me look over here so you can see. Price was delivered to the downside, and then buyers came in and stepped up and then pushed the price to the upside. So that tells me there's a lot of volume here, a lot of activity. So I would expect that to be a point of interest if we were to come down, and we did. We came down and we nailed that midpoint, and right now we are getting a push up on Bitcoin. We have a lot of stuff up above us, not too much below us. Got our low ADR, which would definitely be something I would be watching, which is at about 34,840. But we have, didn't we already tap last week's low? I thought we already did tap last week's low. We tapped last week's high. So maybe we come back down, tap last week's low. But that's what I would be watching. This one got recovered, this vector. Here's a nice one right here. Let's go ahead. Bam. I'm going to take that right there. 32.4. Man, no one wants to hear that, do they? Wouldn't surprise me, though. It would not surprise me. Let's go ahead and do some freeform here. Let's take off the trader's reality. Let's turn off our magnet. So we've had this kind of upper channel here. We're just kind of chilling in. And we've just been playing around inside of here, basically. That's basically all that we've been doing is playing around inside of this channel. These channels, let's go ahead and look it up real quick. Rising channels. Yeah, we're just chilling and charting, guys. Hit that like button. Hit that sub button if you're new to the channel. Rising channel pattern. Yeah, we're just chilling and charting. I'm not gonna do like setups or anything like that. It's more of just like kind of analyzing where we are in the market at the present time, and going back in history and trying to look for where we could be going on a more macro level. Yeah, rising channels are typically bearish. Rising channel. I'm trying to find a good one, a good example. A good example. Copy image, paste. Is this gonna be? It's gonna be super blurry when I blow it up. Let's see, a rising channel. That's in a downtrend. Rising channel. I'm trying to give a good visual, but let's just go ahead and say that. All right, so we'll take our opening here, and if it breaks down, that's something that I would be looking for. If it breaks down right here, we could come down. I mean, that would actually make a lot of sense. That would make a lot of sense. What is that price target on that? 33.5, essentially. 33.5. Would not be surprised. Yeah, especially, wow, I just noticed that. Look at that. You see all that right there? I kind of don't like, I mean, I like it because it means I can have a good long entry, but, I would be watching this area. Because we had so many hits here. Right here, 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 here. What is this level? 34.2? 34.1? 34.1. So many hits there. And then we have these equal lows right here. This is all in the 1 hour also. Let's see what it looks like on the 4 hour. Yeah, and that was a consolidation range, equal lows. Oh man, I really don't like seeing the equal lows because more often than not, those like to be taken out. Because there's a lot of liquidity down here. There's a lot of stop losses, obviously, a lot of long stops right here, because people view it rightfully as support because it was support. So, but that is something I would be keeping my eye on, as far as to dip below that, get to that 34.1, maybe even dip below 34. definitely would be watching out for that one. And we can see, I don't see a 3 candle move on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 2 hour. There's a 2 candle move. There's a 3 candle move. 3 candles. Price delivering to the downside. So definitely watch that area. Or this whole thing right here. What's the midpoint of this? 33.8. 33.8. Definitely be watching. Now let's see if that lines up with the volume profile of this move. Oh, value area low. It's right there. Value area low is right there. Point of control is right at these relatively equal lows right here. Yeah, value area high up here, and we've already fallen below it. We've come up to it. We have failed to reclaim it. So yeah, I'm looking for more downside, guys. Definitely the volume's right here. The point of control on that is 34.5 essentially. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at on that. There's a lot of volume right there, so I would not be surprised to see this thing come down here to this level. Definitely would not be surprised to see it come down here, because this is where we will see demand, or where we have seen demand in Bitcoin. So we need to see that. We could see that here shortly. Maybe over the weekend. Maybe today. Over the weekend, you never know what can happen over the weekend. Most of the time, it's pretty boring. There's not a lot of movement. Alex showed on his show this morning, last week's. This whole little range right here, this was last weekend. It just really didn't do anything. Maybe a 1% move. You can scalp that. Of course, you can scalp that. But, I mean, better off to just wait. Now, Sunday nights have been, Sunday evening, Sunday nights have been kind of moving markets. So, definitely keep an eye on that. I usually start looking for movement about 1 o'clock on Sunday. Well, that's my time. So 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sundays. Probably about noon is when I would start looking, actually. But because that's just when I typically tend to see prices start to move. Somewhere between the noon and market open, which is at like 5, I think. 5 or yeah, it's at 5, 7 Eastern. It's 5 for like the Austin, for like Forex and stuff like that. That's what I meant by market open. But yeah, what's the Dixie doing? So let's go ahead. Let's zoom out on this a little bit. So back in July, I called for this move up. I was looking for it to get up here to this daily fair value gap. We did not get there, luckily. But right now, let's see, on the daily, it looks like we could be getting a bullish print here soon. But the money flow is coming out, so I don't know. Money flow is coming out. I don't know how much that stuff works on the Dixie, but I imagine it works pretty well. Here was a green dot right here, and then it just went soaring, right? Green dot here. Took it a little while, but then it came up to that next there. Yeah, it has room to come down, of course. And based off these levels that I've had marked off for months, I don't even... You ever like put levels down and kind of like, why did I even put these here? But I'm pretty sure it's because I got tap, 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 touches, lots of touches. Lots of touchy. Then we have the breakdown to take out the equal lows. And then we come to the upside. Now, if I come back over here to Bitcoin and I come down to the 15-minute and I take a look and I see equal lows and I see a breakdown, do we see more upside? Let's go back to the Dixie. Let's go back to the daily. Dixie breakdown. Breakdown, damn it. So yeah. Breakdown. Come back to the upside. That's what I would like to see with Bitcoin, but I don't know if we're going to get it. I mean, price is holding right now, but we are coming up to danger zone. Go ahead and draw this right here. Actually, let's not even do a line. Let's do a box. What's in the box? I'd even come up to this low right here. Okay. This low right here. And this is going to be an area that I would be looking for possible reversal, like down to the downside. That's what I would be looking for. Now, if we shoot up, get a nice candle body close, say 15-minute, get a close back above here, then maybe we see more upside. So let's go ahead and throw on some fibs and see where we could see some upside. I don't have the golden pocket on mine. Let's go ahead and throw that on since I know some of my viewers have liked the golden pocket. So there's the golden pocket right there. What is off? Which one of these is off? Is it the 615? 618? Third one. Why are all of these on 4? Oh, wait. That's at the higher levels. Sorry. Very well, then. Much love for stopping by, everybody. Thank you for stopping by. As always, thank you to Crypto Billy for my 207th sub. I appreciate you, brother. I don't know if you're here or not, but I do appreciate you. If you ever watch this, I just wanted to get that out and say I appreciate you. So yeah. Ooh. Yep, so we're getting rejected off of that box. Getting rejected. No, oh. What are we bouncing on? We're bouncing, so we've come up to the 286. We're getting a bounce off of it. If that holds, we've created equal lows on the 5-minute. Let's go to the 1-minute. I know, madness, right? 1 minute. I do like this. It's a trap. Yeah, it looks like it. This would have been a nice little, ride up, but maybe we come back down. It's a trap. I do like this move, though, because we got displacement and a pullback into a fair value gap. I mean, this is my dream setup right here, and this is on the 1-minute, too. My dream setup is for price to come down, take out a low, take out these, equal lows. Let's see if there's something else. That just stopped dead right there. But it came down into this area of volume. Right? So with that, I would have seen this displacement or impulse to the upside, right? That broke this high right here. Let me turn off this stupid magnet. So it broke that high right there. And then we came back down into this fair value gap. And then that would have been nice. A nice little ride up. You could take profit at the highs or take profit at the next high. And we are holding that 0.236 even on the 1 minute, and we did just come down and clear those equal lows right there just by a smidge. It doesn't take much. So we could start seeing a little bit more upside right here. So there it goes. We'll see. We do have VWAP and money flow popping up. Maybe this momentum wave will start to curl up. Start getting above here, and we're looking good. Oh, I don't like that. This is about to go boop. Yep. Rejection. All right, quick question. For a first-time paid TradingView purchasee, which subscription is the best bang for buck? Ooh. Best bang for your buck. Premium's really freaking good. I mean, if you're just doing crypto trading, it depends on how many indicators you plan on using, how many intervals you plan on using. Because I mean, right now I've got the basic, dude. I've got the basic. Because I mean, I don't need more than 5 indicators. The basic also gives me the volume profiles, which you can already use any of the free volume profiles. You can use the fixed range volume profile. Like, you don't even have to have that other one. Is it that much better? It just depends on how much you trade, bro. Yeah, we're getting rejected. There it goes. Or what? Now, when I say how much you trade, I mean like if you traded more than crypto and you needed some time. Like right now, see, because I'm on the what do you call it? Because I have the basic package, a lot of my stock stuff is delayed by like 10 or 15 minutes. Some of them 25 minutes. So I don't get that data. You got to pay extra for that data in general. But I think premium, you probably get that. You used to, but now I've seen packages where you have to like subscribe to the exchange, like the NASDAQ package, like to get their data, which is kind of ridiculous. But that any way to try to gatekeep retail, because they're trying to protect us, that's what they say. That's what they're gonna do. Best bang for your buck is probably the middle one, the one in the middle between basic and premium. I think because you get a ton of. Let's go ahead and look at it. Account and billing. Oh, wait, can I show this? Hold on. Let's move this over here real quick. Protect us from gains. Yeah, exactly. I don't know what's on this page. Sorry. Credit card information stuff. I know it only shows the last 4, but still. Let's see. Where change plan? There we go. Let's see. All right, so 4 charts layout. Which right now I can only do 2, so I would like 4. 4 would be pretty cool, which would be, you got 4 charts on one screen. Like this thing right here. Where is it? 4. That's nice to have. If you're at the computer trading every single day. Not every day, but, most days. Monday through Friday at least. I did not mean to do that. Oh, well. Can I get rid of this? Click to quit the app. I only want to quit this. Okay. Let's take a look here. So we've got 10 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars. Now, the historical bars are really nice for like replay, but you get the same as basic, but you get 5 more indicators per chart, 80 more price alerts, 100 price alerts. I don't know how many price alerts someone needs, but 100 is nice. Was there like another package? Because this is like saying that there could be so much more here. Probably. 10,000 historical bars, 100 price alerts, 100 technical alerts, which is like your oscillator alerts. So that's nice. I don't know, does this one allow volume profile, time price, opportunities, custom time frames? Same. Multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators. All right, so this is where we get different. We get to add intraday stuff that nobody uses. Intraday or charts based on custom formulas and chart data export. So not a whole lot of difference there. Now, what is the one thing? Auto chart patterns, charts based on custom formulas. There was something. Huh. Yeah, I still think best bang for your buck. How much is that? 70% off is of 600. Is that their yearly sub? 70% off of 600. $180 for a premium membership. $180 for a premium membership for a year on Black Friday. Just wait for that. Just do that. Just do that. Just do that. Just wait until Black Friday and get you a premium membership. Come back down to this order block here. Midpoint. Bounce right off. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we've come up to this volume imbalance. Now I wonder if we will get another rejection or if this will continue higher. So that's what I would be watching. Watching. Let's go ahead and throw up our Traders Reality. Man, I really wish I could. I need a well, I really need a new computer. Let me take these headphones off. Yeah, I really need a new computer because, or a new Wi-Fi adapter, one of the two, because this thing's a little slow, and it's not supposed to be. My internet's supposed to be much faster than it is. But I can't. Yeah, it's pretty fair. $180 for a full year for basically everything on TradingView that you can possibly think of, other than there's some data packages that you have to buy because, stock stuff. But outside of that, I mean, yeah, it's that 70% off on Black Friday is really fair, dude. Like $180 for a premium. I loved premium. I loved having premium. I just can't do it right now. I'm waiting for that Black Friday sale. Hopefully the wife lets me buy the premium and doesn't say like, oh, we need the money for Christmas presents for the kids. I mean, them kids. No, I love my kids, but they cost money too, Dang it. Let's see here. Yeah, what I was trying to say is that I would love to be able to listen to music and have music in the background or something as I'm on here, but I can't because it just slows down the stream. So it's no fun. It's no fun at all. No fun at all. It slows down the stream. We're coming back up to the daily open. We've already rejected off the daily open, came back down to this order block, and then pushed off of it. So having a little bit of a W play here. W pattern. So would not be surprised. Maybe we come up to this 0.382, maybe even higher, maybe to the psychological high up here at 36.6. Reason being is we do have this consolidation range here. So we do have some stops up here that can be liquidity for the move, the push to the upside up here. And and then maybe we get a little bit exhausted, a little bit extended on that move and see it push back down. And then we just waffle around for the entire weekend. Where am I at right here? I mean, I'm only at 11:30. So maybe not. Maybe not. I do keep my charts, even though I live in the dirty South, in the central central time zone. I keep my charts on New York time zone, just because I'm used to price action happening at certain times, and all the news releases and stuff like that are in Eastern Standard Time, so it just helps keep me, from missing the time on it. But let's see, Bitcoin. Much love, Alex. Much love. Let's see. Let's take a look at ETH. What is ETH doing? Oh, we got a little bit of a double bottom here. I don't like that. That's on the 1 minute though, so yeah, I don't like that. What am I trading today? I am currently not in a trade. I am waiting. I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't like any of this. I don't like any of this. Nothing is real concrete right now. It's kind of, in a decision area. Let's go ahead and remove that. It's kind of in a decision area. We're either going to come up. If we come up to here, I'll probably take I might take a short somewhere in this area. Let's take a look. See, I think you had a short, right? You had a short somewhere up here in this golden pocket at about what, 37, between 37 and 37.1. That golden pocket, which does line up with a vector candle. We do have the psychological high right above that. We got a lot of vector candles up here, which means a lot of volume up in this area. So we could see. The thing about that is that you have either two options. Either it's going to blow through that because there is so much volume there, or it's going to reject hard off of it because there is so much volume there. So you got to kind of like pick your poison. Maybe schlong it right here, or maybe just go long from right here. But we'll see. I'm not really. Now we've got these equal lows touching each other. I don't really care for that. First, wait, 7,200. So yeah, you're saying basically that's the psychological high. Yep, psychological high. Short from there. That'd be nice, right? Let's go right here. That's real close. So if I do my market structure on here, let's go ahead and take off the noise. Do my market structure on here. This will be my low. We don't create a new high until we break this high. Right here. I wouldn't even count it. We're on the 15 minutes. So we're going to come up here. Come down, up, down, up. Why? Because why is this a point? Because we broke it. Why is this a point? Because we broke it. Come down. So now I'm going to be looking at all these tops, because these are swing levels. These are pivot points, swing levels, whatever you want to call them. So definitely there's a lot of volume in this candle right here, because you can see that big push down with the big wick, and it's got a wide range on it, a wide spread, meaning a big candle body, long candle body. So definitely, and we've already come up into it, and it already has been a point of rejection, as you can see. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on. We've already tapped it twice, though. I imagine if we came back up to it, we would go through it. So I'm looking for, I'd be looking for more downside. I don't like how this looks at all. Let me go ahead and do a wave count on here and see if that helps at all. Do I want to go? I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make that yellow. I don't think that's it. That's not the one. This is the one. Right there. That's the one. Mostly because I'm going off of volume, which volume would more or less be right here. Then we have, we got an ABC in there. We'll have to break this down a little more. 1, 2, 1, 2, lower, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that doesn't count. 4 cannot come up into wave 1. That looks more like an ABC. A being A, initial drop. B, retrace. C, second drop. So was this like a 3, 3, 3? 1, 2, 3. Not that one. Sorry. This is what I do. Volume to the downside. Yeah, first grab 35,700. Oh, first grab 35,700. You're saying, and then go up to 32,000 or 37,200. Okay, I can see it. I need to go ahead and set an alert here. Yes, sir. Yeah. I mean, I could definitely see that for sure. Definitely could. I'm trying to do some wave counts live. What am I doing? Impulse. I would not be shocked to see us come down here at all. I would not be shocked at all to see us come back to this impulse, especially right here where we have equal lows right there. Would you say 30? You said 35,700. 35,700. Where's 35? Let's go ahead and mark that off. You're more immediate over here. I see. 35,700. So you're more immediate on that move. What is that level? Why do you have that level, sir? That's what I want to know. Why do you have that level as a level? We're below the 786 on there. Why do you have that level as a level? Is it? No. What about this whole? What about this move right here? Ah, look at that. We do have a point of control right here at about 35,600. Keep that in mind. 35,600. That is also very close to the midpoint of this candle right here. Yeah, 35,625 maybe 35,600. Would not be surprised. I do like to draw fixed range volume profiles of big moves like this, or even like a move like down like this. So let's go ahead and move this over to here. And this, did it disappear? I think I made it disappear. I made it disappear. And go from the top to the bottom here. And there we go. And see, we've been getting rejected off of that value area low from this move down here, right? Then we have this 37,469, this point of control. I did find, let's see, let's add a little more. Let's add more of this volume in here. Oh, I did a new one. My bad. Yeah, I mean, it's still going to be 35,475. Somewhere up there, that would be a target, a point of interest. If we were to come down here and get a bounce, be looking for that to possibly take a short from. There was an indicator that I found that was pretty cool. Well, what is this one? This is a volume toolkit. I don't know about this one yet. I'm still messing with this one. This volume toolkit by Lux Algo, volumetric. I did want to pull up volume profile session volume session volume profile, not HD, not the HD one. Why not the HD one? Because the HD one takes in your visible range. I need to add this and get rid of this. And I don't like that. I don't like, because it changes your point of control. So it doesn't make sense to me. This one, on the other hand, this is every single session, the volume of every session. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more ticks in there, or row size, so we can see a little more detail in there. Let's go ahead and add our value area highs and lows. Value area highs and lows. And I'm going to do something else. I'm going to extend my POCs to the right. And what that does, let me get rid of this. Let's get rid of the drawings. What that does is that'll show us our naked point of controls. So essentially, a naked point of control is just a point of control that was created in a previous session that has not been tapped. It is naked. It ain't been tapped yet. So we do have one all the way down here at 30,600 all naked. Volume to the downside, he says. So don't want to see that. Don't want to see that, but that is on the table because it is a naked point of control. So, which means there was a lot of volume down here during this session that has not been tapped. Everything else, though, even this naked point of control here came down. We came down and tapped it, right? So definitely keep an eye on that. I do like my naked point of controls. We do have another one here. We came down and didn't even tap it because the line didn't go away. So possibly come down here. What is this one right here? This one's at 35,389. This value area low of this session right here. And then I would not be surprised. 34,743, 34,750. Yeah, just keep these levels on the downside as potential buying opportunities, especially if it comes down here. Yeah, spot buy, whatever, leverage trade, not financial advice. Do whatever you want to do. I don't care. I'm not gonna judge you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Dixie. What are we doing? Well, Dixie is dumping. Dixie's dumping. What's Euro doing? Euro's pumping. Euro's pumping, but your Euro, oh Jesus, Euro's had a week. Is it going to keep going? If the Euro can keep going, then that'll keep bringing that dollar down. If that Euro keeps going, What about British pound? Ooh, it's kind of bull flagging, I don't know. Maybe it'll come up. But yeah, if that British pound and that euro both keep going, then that'll bring that Dixie down even more, which is what? Looks like, look, we're breaking support right now on Dixie. Is Bitcoin about to go flying? Probably not. What about SPY? What are we looking like over here? Big gap up. I think that's Monday. I'm on the 15-minute. Yeah. This is just the SPY though. It's not the ES. That's another thing. ES is going to be delayed for me as well. See ARCA by CVA1. Real-time data for SPY is provided by Kobe1 exchange. This data is real-time, but it may be slightly different to its official counterpart coming from ARCA. So keep that in mind. But yeah, ES, this is why I want premium, because it's really painful that I can't. Delayed by 10 minutes. I don't like that. It's not fair. It's bogus, man. Gatekeeping the gains. Such a void. Look at this void from Monday. Would not be surprised to see the SPY to come and reclaim that, just as Bitcoin did with its move. Came back down to reclaim. So would not be surprised to see that with the SPY, especially today. I believe is like there's a bunch of earnings calls, I think, or lots of contracts expiring. That's what it is. A lot of contracts expiring today at the end of the day. So prepare for some afternoon fireworks. So that's probably why we're a little slow in this morning, is because the market's probably more gearing towards the afternoon. It is Friday, so that is typically what they do anyway. So kind of more just Friday. Look for the afternoon plays on Fridays. Usually a silver bullet, which I'm not going to get into that. That's, what you call it, ICT concepts. So, but yeah, it's usually a silver bullet. I would definitely be looking for a play for a long to the upside. That's what I would be looking for today, is a play for a long to the upside. And then just get out and then have a good weekend. You know what I mean? Just get out and have a good weekend. Thank you for joining me. Hit that like button. Sub to the channel if you're new. If you want some great insight, if you want to better your mind, you want to just whatever, just go over to Alexo Crypto. Link is in the description. Go over to Alexo Crypto. He's got some great stuff on what do you call it, a mindset. He's got a good mindset, and he's a fun guy. Not like the moss that grows on trees, but he's a fun guy. And yeah, I just wanted to say that. Get over there. Go to Alexo Crypto. He's only like 8 away. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look. What's going to come up here? Chillin and Chartin and Breakin stuff. Who is that? Oh, who is this guy? Come on over here to Alexo Crypto. Oh, he's only 6 subs away from 500. Only 6 subs away. He's got 507 videos. Jesus, dude. It must be nice not having kids and having free time. I swear to God. This was hilarious. It made me want to do one of those. Something like that. So, yeah. Come on over to Alexo Crypto. I'm glad he doesn't do none of this stuff anymore because he just looks absolutely ridiculous. But yeah. Appreciate you, bro. But yeah, go head on over to AlexO Crypto. Go give him a follow. Of course, most of his guys are my guys, so I don't know. Actually, I built a lot of my stuff off of XRP community, which XRP is taking a dump. We are below 60 cents. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're at 59 cents. We're at this previous value area low from the Tuesday session. And it is getting a little bit of a support there, but not really. We've taken it out. So, is this no, that's something else. What is this? Any naked? Any naked? No. I don't see any naked points of control. Point of controls. Let's pull back a little bit on the XRP. Oh yeah. 52. Yeah, I could definitely see that because we do have a triangle here, which coincidentally, the apex of that is basically right in this range of these naked point of controls. There's one all the way down here too. XRP has the ability to do these things where we do this shit right here. Right? We do this shit. Come back down, all the way down, fill this whole gap right here. Is there something like that over here? Yep. You bet your ass there is. Right there. 48,226. Go ahead. Just go ahead and put along on that level right there. Just go ahead, throw something in there. It doesn't matter. Just not financial advice, but just set the limit order for 48. We'll call it 48,227. 4827. 0.4827. This is per KuCoin, so that is subject to change. So 4827. 4850 is what I would be banging on. 49 cents between 48.50, 48.25 and 49 cents. 48.25 and 49 cents. I like those numbers. Those are nice rounded numbers. Let's do those. Just what do they call that? It's just, a hopeful moon bag type of deal. Just throw something in there, and if it comes down there and snatches it, hey, awesome. Because that means the next move up is going to be even more insane. Now, of course, this could halt here, because we are at this level right here that looks like it could be support. It was previous resistance. We did get a bounce. We came up to it, consolidated on top of it, and then shot up. And now we're back down to that level. But the volume is here. This is the volume. This is because we got this consolidation range here. So this level right here, yeah, man, that could come down a little more. Could come down a little more. I don't think Crypto Billy might have been on something during Alex's stream this morning about that 50 cents. So, but yeah, I have got to go ahead and wrap it up, guys. I've got a haircut here soon. Got family pictures today. Maybe it looks like it's raining, so I don't know if we will have family pictures or not. But we will see. But yeah, mad love and respect. Thank you for joining me as always. And hit that like button on your way out if you don't mind. And sub to the channel if you are watching this for the first time. And yeah, I love you all. Thank you for watching. And I am out. I might be back later. Because if I don't have family pictures. Oh wait, I have Friendsgiving tonight too. Dang it. We'll see. I might be back after my haircut, but we'll see. I love you guys. Peace out for now.